right, Sabe. You just been hacked by your two losers. Loser number 2, Tress. And who's number 1? You are. Hi. I know we hacked into your phone. We know your password. Yeah.
So please don't change it.
Yeah.
Just peanuts. Anyways, we
It's
just want
5.
to let you know that it's 5:30 right now in the morning,
And you're
asleep,
sleeping.
and we're awake.
And we have your phone. If you want it back, you must follow the following instructions.
How is he gonna get this one? We have to
You need to wake up. Go brush your teeth. Come out.
shower. No. Don't just brush. Shower.
And
Don't do the crazy jail hairstyle. Bounce balloon.
Don't just stick your head in the shower and then. Okay. Anyways, you
Change
must
your pepper.
take 5 steps into the kitchen. Turn back around. And yeah, just ask for your phone. Huh?
And then announce that you are the number 1 loser in the world.
Yeah, you must say that in front of everybody and in front of
the whole world.
Yeah.
If that's possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I rock.
We rock.
We. And I'm a loser.
And you're the loser.
Number 1. 2, 3.
Bye.